Welcome to this second class on the consequences of CSR in the core business. Today we work on integrated reporting. Integrated reporting is important, especially for public organizations. Last class we saw that CSR is for all organizations. Then we have to work especially in corporations and organizations where financial statements don't say very much. So we have to integrate money with individual things, with actions. If we talk about services, with products, we have to look at the activity of the organization in a more integrated way than it is possible when we can summarize everything into money measures, as it is in the profit-making area of the economy, which is subject to competition. That is why we have an image here of apples and oranges, because this is the realm of integrated reporting. As we have seen in the non-profit area, that is in the private non-profit and in the public non-profit, which is government, it is characterized by a triangle. We don't have anymore a dyad, a segment between producer and consumer, but we have a third element, which is the payer. It's not anymore the consumer that pays for goods or services, but it is, we have a beneficiary who doesn't pay and someone who pays without benefiting. So that's the area of non-profit, whereby it is government or private non-profit organizations that there's not much of a difference. In this kind of area, the non-profit world, financial statements don't say very much. They only say that the monies in are equal to the monies out, but they don't say anything about the product that the organization is making or the service the organization is providing. Whether that is being liked by the beneficiary, whether that is being provided in sufficient quantity, in sufficient quality. So when this triangle takes place, most important, we have the relevance of the key performance indicators we saw under the value of implementation. We have to report, integrated reporting has to put together more than ever money with things, money with actions, money with the cost of things, with the cost of services. We have to look at, we need the numbers. If we are running a kitchen soup, like in this case, this is a Salvation Army kitchen soup, we have to say how many soups per year we are serving. If we are a prison, we have to say how many inmates per year we are having in our facilities. Or putting money together with things, we have to say the total cost for each soup we serve. So that's the important part of integrated reporting. And we talk about reporting rather than integrated report, because as we have seen, integrated in our homework, an integrated report might end up being a sort of an unwieldy kind of object. So integrated reporting means that we may have more than one document, but they all have to speak to each other and they all have to square with each other. Homework. Integrate in your writing a criticism of Microsoft integrated report for fiscal year 2011, and also for next time read chapter 16 of values. The part on corporate social responsibility in small and medium enterprise, which goes from page 214 to page 219. For today, we show the concept of third-party payer and the concept of beneficiary. That is an important item when we have a triangle and we don't have anymore the bilateral relationship between producer and consumer. That is an important complication of individual transactions in the economy. Also, we have seen once again the need for squaring resources across different reports. Evaluation of work by the payer. We have seen that when non-profit situations, evaluation of work has to take place, and we say by the payer, by the beneficiary, by whoever, but it is an important element of accountability, because work at that point in non-profit situations is not anymore evaluated by the electoral or the choice moment that is celebrated every time we go into a coffee shop and ask for a cup of coffee. There is a bilateral situation, and we are approving the product and the service we get. Here things are more complicated. Next time we see what happens in situations of small, medium and micro enterprise. Thank you very much.